Here's what you'll need to check when sourcing a battery for this car. So I'm going to take you through a full step-by-step replacement using the quickest and safest techniques learned in the last 6 years, including the tools you need, as well as share some technical specs on the size of this battery and show you what to expect after installation. There's a good reason for disconnecting the negative terminal first, and that's all explained in this video somewhere on the screen. So if you need to, pause this one and go and watch that one first. Next, you can disconnect the positive or the bracket, doesn't really matter, as long as the negative is disconnected. Now if you tried lifting the battery and there's a car attached to it, just loosen this bolt down here at the base of the battery first. I'll provide some technical specs on this battery a bit later, but the first thing you'll need to check on the new battery is this base mounting lip. I have seen this size battery without it, and then you'll have no way of securing the battery. Before we get to the second thing you'll need to check, make sure to slide the battery into the retaining lip at the back and then start fitment in the reverse order. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. If the bolt doesn't line up initially, it helps to tilt the battery slightly while tightening it. Now the second thing you'll need to check is where the positive cable is located. I've seen some models with a cable at the back, so then you'll need this size battery with a positive on the opposite side. Then as far as specs go for this battery, it should be in the 90 amp hour range with around 700 to 800 cranking amps. But these dimensions are the maximum size to fit the battery tray. There were no warning lights on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Even the one-touch windows still work as before, so the only thing left to do is to set the time. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.